In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best aluminum polish. So let's get started. Number 7. Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. Our best aluminum polish is also the original created by Mother's more than 30 years ago. This cream-based polish goes on easily with a little bit of elbow grease from you to remove dirt and other debris that is caked onto your wheels. You can apply it directly to the wheel or put it on a microfiber cloth first. After the wheel is clean and the cream removed, just dry it with a cotton towel. Another great feature of this polish is it can be used on other parts of your car and everyday items around the house. We found it useful to brighten fogged-up headlights, brass, and other metals like watches and keys. It also comes in a range of sizes and containers starting at 5 ounces and going up to 1 gallon. While it is tough to beat this polish, we did find that it does require time and effort to bring out the shine in your wheels. Number 6. Car Guys Premium Wool Cleaner. For the best value brand of aluminum polish, we have to go with this acid-free spray solution. What we liked most about it is how simple it is to spray on the polish, then wait a few minutes to wipe it off with a clean cloth or spray it with water to remove dirt, break dust, and grime. It comes in 2 sizes when ordered, an 18-ounce bottle or a 1-gallon container. We found it to be great for any type of wheel on your car, whether it be an alloy, aluminum, anodized, chrome, painted, clear coat, or anything else. It also works well on other metals. As far as downsides go, when it comes to removing caked on dirt or mud, it requires several applications and a bit of time to scrub it off. Number 5. Sonax Wool Cleaner Full Effect. Our honorable mention goes to this spray-on wool polish. This pH-neutral polish fights away tough-to-remove blemishes and leaves your wheels looking spot-free and sparkling. It is acid-free as well, meaning it is able to be used on a variety of wheel finishes. One of the great features about this specific wool polish is once it is sprayed onto the surface, it will appear as a bright green color. To show you it is working, the color will shift to a red after a few moments. It is available as a single 16-ounce bottle, a pack of 6, or a 1-gallon container. While it is a great choice when it comes to aluminum polish, it will take some scrubbing with a cloth or brush to remove dirt that's been there a while. Number 4. Frits MultiPurpose. If you don't want to keep a different product for every part of your car, this multi-purpose formula can help you handle just about everything. From metals like brass and copper to chrome and anodized aluminum. It can even polish fiberglass gel coats and do headlight restoration. It's non-toxic, and the company says you can even use it in the kitchen. Developed in Germany and made in Wisconsin, this is a family-owned company that's been polishing for decades. Number 3. Brasso MultiPurpose. Look under your grandparents' sink and you'll probably find Brasso. This metal polish has been on the market for more than 100 years and has long been looked at as one of the best at what it does. This polish was designed, like the name suggests, for brass, but it's also great for metals like copper, stainless steel, chrome, and bronze. Shake, soak a cloth, and rub into surfaces, and you're ready to polish anything from your sports car's wire wheels to your faded-looking bronze door handle. Number 2. 3M Chrome and Metal. 3M makes just about everything these days, and that includes some high-end automotive finishing products. On top of compounds for paint, 3M makes a chrome and metal polish designed to clean and polish chrome, stainless steel, and other metals. This one's aggressive, and that means it can even help remove pitting from metals, depending on the severity. It can be applied by hand or with a polishing tool to bring back a like-new shine. Number 1. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. This polish is designed for metalwork that's got lots of oxidation and some light staining from rust and other contaminants. Special cleaners work to remove those tough contaminants and stains from metals, and it includes protective polymers that work to protect the metal you've worked so hard to restore. Use it for chrome and stainless, and the makers recommend it for diamond plate aluminum.